Hello, and welcome to Blueprint Bazaar, a one-stop for 3D models and simulations. The following model is of a V12 engine integrating minute details such as coolant channels, oil channels, cylinder sleeves, etc. The oil channel leads from the side of the block, where the pump will be located, to the parts of the crankshaft that comes into contact with the engine block for lubrication. The coolant channels pass adjacent to the cylinders, as is visible in the 3D model. The following model is of a cat dirt loader comprising of individual components such as bolts, hydraulics, wheels, as well as the steering assembly. The individual parts are designated their individual materials such as side view mirrors, metal for the main body, rubber for tires, and fabric for seat, etc. The following model is of a 6-axis industrial robotic arm, mostly used in assembly lines, such as in the automotive industry. The 6-axis means it is one of the more capable robotic arms. It is equipped with mounts for bolting it to the work region on the factory floor. The following model is of a Gatling gun, along with a dynamic barrel and a shell ejection guard. The barrels are assembled on the body to allow independent rotation. The rear is equipped with a static gimbal as well as a mounting bracket. The following model is of the Saab JAS 39 Gripen fighter jet. The model consists of live canards, flaps and ailerons, dual-stage turbine engine, Gatling cannon, air duct channels, canopy, radar array, tail rudder, as well as front and rear landing gear assembly. The wings are cut out specifically according to the profile of the original. There are indents in the wing that allow the flaps and ailerons to be perfectly housed in the wing such that they can rotate up or down while maintaining the aerofoil shape, thereby eliminating any blunt ends. The following model is of Formula One car. The entire assembly consists of a front wing, tuned mass damper, steering racks, steering rods, suspension struts, brake discs, brake cooling ducts, barge board, fuel tank, monocoque chassis with integrated driver seat and suspension, engine air intake channel, dynamic rear wing, rain brake lights, engine cover, V12 engine, radiator air intake channels, and lastly, rear diffuser. The chassis connects to the engine, which acts as a structural member of the chassis. A suspension access hatch in the nose of the chassis allows easy access to the suspension and steering components. The following model is of a twin-spool turbofan engine. The term twin spool refers to the fact that different stages of the engine, such as second-stage compressor, are capable of spinning at different speeds than the rest of the assembly. The combustion chamber is equipped with fuel injectors as well as spark plugs. All the aforementioned models are available for purchase on the official Blueprint Bazaar website, along with an assortment of other models as well as simulations.